This is the 95 Civic. Decided it is going to get restored, and to do that we're going to need this bad boy, or this. But the only way to do this is a donor car, which is fairly scaldy, as are all EGs in this country. This one is clean. It's sat here for about 10 years, so she's fairly good bar that. And she needs a front panel, but all that will come from the other car. Interior, everything loom. Engine bay was stripped in this, so she's good to go. Just quick like a primer paint. Paint on the car was red, spray champ white badly. Paint is about a mil thick. Need to look into stripping that away, stripping that down. I've been just using thinners on a rag, leaving it, scraping it off. So yeah, should be fun. So the first thing I need to do is make it a complete shell again. So I'm going to start by taking the front panel off the donor car. It's just a bunch of tens and clips and brackets and rods and hoses, headlights. Get them all off, and then possibly take off the panels, the bonnet, the wings, the bumper, the headlights, and line it up before welding the front panel back on.